Well, determining coverage may depend on your financial goals and needs. Making sure that you have the right financial resources in place, including life insurance, is important. If you have loved ones who depend on your income, life insurance can help cover funeral and burial expenses, pay off remaining debts, and make managing day to day living expenses less burdensome for those you leave behind. Here is how to find out if you need life insurance at all or if you already have it. How to evaluate your coverage needs and whether your policy is sufficient. Key takeaways: your financial and family situation will determine whether you need life insurance and if so, how much coverage you should have. The younger and healthier you are, generally the less you will pay for premiums, but older people can still get life insurance. It may be wise to carry as much life insurance as you need to pay off your debts plus any interest, particularly if you have a mortgage or co-signed student loans with someone else. Your policy's payout should be large enough to replace your income, plus a little more to hedge against the impact of inflation on purchasing power. There are several rules of thumb used to compute the ideal amount of coverage. What is life insurance? Life insurance is an agreement in which an insurance company agrees to pay a specific amount after the death of an insured party, as long as the premiums are paid and up to date. This amount is called death benefit. Policy gives insured people the assurance that their loved ones will have peace of mind and financial protection after their death. Life insurance falls into two different categories: permanent and term. Permanent life insurance policies do not have an expiration date, meaning you are covered for life as long as your premiums are paid. Some permanent life insurance policies offer an investment component that allows you to build cash value, taking the premiums you pay and investing them into the market. Term life insurance, on the other hand, only covers you for a set term. Some policies allow you to renew your coverage after a certain expiration date, while others require a medical exams to do so. Do you even need life insurance at all? Life insurance can be a helpful financial tool to have, but buying a policy doesn't make sense for everyone. If you are single and have no dependents, have beneficiaries for your major asset, and possess enough money to cover your debts as well as the expenses related to death, your funeral, estate settlement, attorney fees, and other expenses, then you may not need life insurance. The same applies if you have dependents but enough asset to provide for them after your death. But if you are a primary provider for your dependents or have a significant amount of debt that outweighs your asset, then insurance can help ensure your loved ones are well taken care of if something happens to you. Having a life insurance policy also could make sense if you own a business or owe consigned debts such as private students loans, for which someone else could be held responsible if you pass away. Keep in mind that life insurance by itself doesn't cover every situation. For example, a standard life insurance policy won't pay out if you develop a chronic illness, nor will it cover long term nursing care costs. But you can purchase chronic illness riders or long term care insurance riders for an additional premium cost that can cover those types of scenarios. What's the minimum amount of life insurance you need? A large part of choosing a life insurance policy is determining how much money your dependents will need. Choosing the face value, the amount that your policy pays if you die, depends on a few different factors. The premium amount of coverage you need may be very different from what someone else requires. Financial experts often recommend purchasing at least 10 times your annual income in coverage, although your personal number may be higher or lower. Well guys, if you liked my videos, please subscribe, share and like my videos. For the next time, take care, goodbye.